Good morning. Guess what day it is? It's October 12th, 2024, and it's Astronomy Day. Now, astronomy is a science that encompasses the study of extraterrestrial objects and phenomena like the planets, the stars, etc. I want to give you some interesting astronomy facts today. It really amazes me. So the Earth's rotation, the Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours, which makes the sun, moon, planets, and stars appear to rise in the east and set in the west. The Earth orbits the sun once a year. Some of these are very basic knowledge. The sun and the stars are both large spheres of hot hydrogen gas that emit light and heat. The moon and the planets in our solar system are cool surfaces, cool spheres that are much smaller than the stars. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of the Earth, once every 243 Earth days, which means the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Black holes don't emit light, but astronomers can learn about them by measuring the light, X-rays, and radio waves emitted by the material around them. Pluto's atmosphere is about 20 layers that are cooler and more compact than expected, which affects how quickly it loses its nitrogen-rich atmosphere to space. Uranus tilts so that one of the poles always faces the sun while the other is in darkness. Venus is extremely hot and has little temperature variation between day and night or throughout the year. Jupiter's moons, it has 79, with 53 named and 26 waiting for names. Most of the moons are small, with about 60 being less than 10 kilometers in diameter. Jupiter's moons is the most volcanically active object in the solar system, with volcanoes that erupt sulfur dioxide and silicon rocks. The moon's lava can reach temperatures of 1,500 degrees Celsius, the hottest known in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, but evidence suggests it was once slightly larger. The planet's molten iron core has been cooling rapidly, causing the planet to shrink. You know, I look at the stars and I am just amazed. I'm amazed at the precise precision of God's creation. Genesis 1:1 says, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." And in Isaiah 45:12 it says, "It is I who made the earth and created man upon it. I stretched out the heavens with my hands, and I ordained all their host." God just spoke, and they came into existence. Just spoke. Jeremiah 31:35 says, "Thus says the Lord, who gives the sun for light by day, and the fixed order of the moon and the stars for light by night, who stirs up the sea so that its waves roar. The Lord of hosts is his name." And in Job 38:31 it says, "Can you bind the cluster of the Pleiades or untie the cords of Orion?" God knew about these constellations. Man is just learning about the things, the constellations and the things out there in outer space. God already knew about them. Isaiah 40:22 says, "It is he that sitteth upon the circle of the earth." God knew the earth was round. God knew how the planets rotated. God knew how everything in the solar system worked because he created it. God is greater than all. So when you go out and you think about the planets, the stars, the sun, the moon, the way it all fits together, think about a God so powerful, yet so precise that he makes every little detail so that we humans on this planet in particular can survive. He made all the elements to work together. He created them so we could have everything that we need to live here on this earth. God is so mighty. So as you think about astronomy, which generally is thinking about the planets and out there, remember that all that is nothing to God. He is greater than all of that. Don't you want to know the God that is greater than all the universe? He's waiting for you. Talk to him today. He'll listen.